Okay, market's opening 2:30 UK time. Opening for the US. I'm looking for a sell, about 25 points or so.
Order filled.
We'll sell now. Staying with this trade while we can. Just watching for a pullback on the 10-second chart.
Order filled.
And we're out. So it didn't move fantastic, but it's okay. Can wait for a pullback and we can enter again. There's our pullback, so we just got out in good time there. Could see it pulling back on 10-second chart. Just wait for an extra pullback here. We can re-enter. This is the MNQ. This is MNQ futures, but it moves the same direction as the NQ or the US Tech 100. There's a pullback now. Just wait for a little bit to pull back. So a good pullback. Just waiting for an opposite coloured candle before we enter again.
Order
Entering
filled.
again. Stop loss above the parabolic dots. If it comes back and it's the parabolic dots, then it's probably going to move upwards. So if it can hold where its place is now, it should move down. She's going. Can tell it's coming into holiday time because the volume's not excessive on this market opening. Usually we have a lot more movement and volume than this, but we get what we can. Trying to test these eyes. Looks like it might be failing. Just changed over to Akinashi candles just to see what they're doing. Buyers are having a little fight back here. See if the sellers can take over, push it down. So we're using Bollinger Bands on this 3-minute chart, and we're using parabolic dots. So generally the market will hit a parabolic dot here, and it'll either bounce off and move the other way, or it'll break through. Like now it's trying to break through this top one. If it holds, great, it'll move back down. If not, it'll break through, and if it puts a solid candle above it, then we know we'll be going into a buy. This will be the change in direction. So if it holds on this top, the sellers might take back over and it'll go down. If it breaks the parabolic dots here and we get a permanent candle above, then we'll be moving into a buy. But at least we know what the market's doing. We just have to wait patiently. We're watching, waiting. So we'll just have a little look for 30 seconds. 30-second candles. See if it can break down now. 1 minute. So there's a lot of hold in there going on. The sellers are taking over control there, hopefully. But we'll see. So it's at the parabolic. See if it's just a double top ready to go down. See if it will hold that line. Parabolics are parabolic SARs, the SAR for stop and reverse. So we're hoping this is going to be a stop and reverse on this 3-minute dot. Or if it's going to break through, then we'll move into a buy. There we are. Just gotta wait. It's just a big fight at the minute. Just trying to go, look. Trying to go. Just waiting for it to break a bit lower. Just watching on 10-second chart over here. Just waiting to see if it can break some moving averages. See if it can break a bit lower. If it can break another 4 or 5 points lower. And it should move down to the bottom. Still waiting. Still waiting. There's some news as well today, so it could be everybody's waiting for some news. It's a big news alert, so maybe people are waiting before they enter. Could be why it's low volume. Testing eyes again.
Order filled.
There we go. So we lost that one. Trying to move up. So this is where it could be moving up to this blue line here, up here. So we'll get in with a buy now.
Order filled.
See if we can go up there. So we lost 232. Should allow us to get our money back if it can get up there.
Order filled.
See if we can get up there now. So we've doubled our size of contracts from 5 up to 10. We should be able to get our money back now if it continuously breaks up to some new highs of the day, which isn't very much, so just got to wait patiently. Patience. Very slow. Check the 5 minute out. Moving up. Patience, patience, patience. It's all patience. We've got our strategies and we stick to it. That's all we can do. Moving the trend with the trend, pullbacks, enter. Any break of the parabolic dots we can enter. See how far it'll go up now. So we're looking for about another 15 points. That might be 60, 70, yeah. So we'll see if it'll get there. Let's see if she can get up there. Nearly there. Above my stop loss. $293. See if it can break a bit higher. 260. It's getting a bit slow now. Bit of a pullback.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Good enough. I was just watching on the chart, but that's good enough. That's a good one. Just entered again on pullback and then wait for it to break up. There we go. So that's about there. These are support lines that we put in earlier. It actually should be about there. There we go. So it's just breaking through there. Okay, that's good enough. So we lost one and we made one, but you know, that's trading. We'll just keep going. We'll wait for a pullback now, and we'll just see what happens. It's looking all right. Just say there's a bit of a news, quite a few news alerts on today, but it's the 3 minute chart. We've got our lines of support and resistance there that the market should be moving to, and it doesn't have to hit straight off. It can pull back and go where it wants, but you know, we use the Bollinger Band and the parabolic SARS to give us an idea what's happening. So we try to keep in the Bollinger all the time. Anyway, hope that helps. Good enough for now.